Fast flows are washing away the holy cities of Medina and Mecca in Saudi Arabia. A serious situation unfolds on January 6, 2025 in northern Saudi Arabia. The National Center of Meteorology warned of heavy rain in 9 regions. Including Mecca, Medina and other regions. Strong winds almost completely locked off visibility, heavy rains and lightning strikes. This depression covers parts of Libya, Egypt and northern Saudi Arabia. Medina is suffering the most. Residents were advised to stay indoors and avoid flooded areas. Water tornadoes were also observed. Like it if you think that we need to protect nature, because this is the main problem of humanity. The more likes, the more people will know it.